Out of the Woods did a lot of work for us. So they did our kitchen area, they did the cabinets in our living room area, they did our master bathroom cabinets and also the quartz in our shower. They did our kitchenette upstairs, they did our theater room, and they did our other 3 bathrooms. We have a guest bathroom upstairs, we have a guest bathroom downstairs, and then we have a suite bathroom upstairs as well. Yeah, they did a great job. It looks really good. So we actually hired Craythorne Homes to build our custom home, and they use Out of the Woods for their custom cabinets. My husband's in construction, so we were looking around, but they did recommend Out of the Woods, and once we got looking and we met Ted, we liked the company and we liked their work, and we decided to move forward with Out of the Woods. He is very attentive and detail-oriented, and the attention to detail drew us in to help choosing Out of the Woods because we wanted our custom home to be just the way we wanted it, and he made sure to draw up the plans, show us before we moved forward with anything, which made us feel comfortable with the quality of work we were getting. So our second island actually wasn't originally in the plans. We had a big awkward space that we didn't know would be there, and so we decided to do the second island, and we brought the idea up to Ted, and he jumped on it and helped us create that and got it done really quickly, so it worked out really well. We actually would reach out to Ted directly, and he would always address our concerns. He usually would come out to see what the issue was to help us resolve anything that we felt wasn't perfect. I feel they do care about their work. They care about your happiness. They want you to be happy. They want you to get what you want. It isn't just a job. They just are not trying to hurry and get it done. I feel like they do care about the quality of work that they're doing.